already 2:05 p.m. So can I please ask everyone to please make sure that your mic is in mute so will not distract our classmate. Is that okay? Okay.
Yes,
So
sure.
to
Yes.
start with our
Yes.
lesson, can
Yes.
somebody from this class would like to share what you they have learned from our previous lesson or from our previous discussion? You can use the hand raise button. Okay, Jaisel, Joaquin.
Ano po, yung 3D and 2, 2D. As in yung three dimensions and two dimensions.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. That is correct. How about the others? Yes, Cherish Jean.
Shape and lines.
Okay, very good. How about Rose? Is that your name, Rose? Sorry. Rose or Kulo po? Rose po. Rose or Kulo under the name. What's your name? The one under Rose or Kulo? Sorry. You can unmute po.
My name is Z.
Z. Okay. I'll just take it note here. Z. Okay. Do you want to share something in the class? What have you learned from our last
Yes.
session?
Yes.
Okay. What have you learned so far?
The how to draw a boat.
Okay. Thank you so much, Z.
Those are some tips. Excuse me po.
Oh, yes po.
Can I show my drawing po as in a girl po?
Okay, sure. You can show it in the
Okay.
class.
Wait lang po.
Okay, sure. How about you, Athena? Would you like to share something? Oh, memorized. Wow, very good naman. You memorized it. Very good. Later, I'll send you the link of the YouTube link because I'm still actually trying to compile all the videos or all the recordings since I got busy last week since it's our exam time. So change in the hour. Okay, cherish. Okay po, I'll take note of it po. Cherish. Okay, I'll just cherish is the name po. Sorry. Cherish.
Ito
Celestine.
po.
Okay po.
Ito po.
Celestine. Okay, thank you po.
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
Giselle.
pro.
Wow. You can hmm. Giselle is showing his drawing. Wow. You draw that, Giselle?
Yes po.
Wow,
Tapos
very
yung
good.
next ko naman po, building po.
Very good. If you have any artworks, you can also share it with the class, okay? You can feel free to send it to the GC, but of course, once you send it to the GC,
Opo.
make sure that you're taking a photo of it with you, okay? Also, you, Brielle, you
Okay
can
po.
send it later, okay? Okay, so yes, like what we have discussed last time, we discussed basic shapes and lines, also the dimension, the 1D, 2D, and 3 dimensions. Okay? Thank you so much for all for those who answered. So for today naman, we're going to discuss constructing creativity, building art from the group up. So right now, we will start with defining it. What is construction? So is there anyone in this class who would like to share with us what is the first thing that comes into your mind when you hear or encounter the word construction? Again, this is a recorded participation. There's no right and wrong answer. You can share anything. Okay, Jaisel?
Construction po as in po para may binibuild po.
Okay, very good. How about Lira?
A construction is something that we will follow.
Okay, very good. How about you? See, is that okay? Let me check. Pogi under Mommy Bell, right? You're Pogi. You would like
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you would like us to call you Pogi. Yes, Pogi, you would like to share something po about construction? Yes po, Pogi, would you like to share something? What comes into your mind po when you hear the word construction? Okay, let's just go back with Pogi later. How about the others? Yes, Irish, you would like to share something?
Construction is work.
Sorry?
Work.
Okay, very good. So, all of your answers are correct. For those who are shy to answer, you can type it in the chat box and I'll just read it out loud, okay? Okay, so now let us define what is construction. So construction, just check. Oh, wow. A second. Wala yung presentation. Okay, so construction is the building of something, typically a large structure. So when we first hear the word construction, what comes into our mind usually it's the building a large structure or a school, something like that, or it usually a large structure. But construction also refers to the process of creating or assembling something, usually a large structure like a building, a bridge, or a road. So it usually involves taking different materials and carefully putting them together in a specific order to form a finished product. So just like who among you has a Lego or already play with Lego,
Meron po ako
right?
kaso nga lang po nawala na po.
Ayun. Yeah, you can use Lego actually to build something. So from different pieces or small pieces of it, when you put it all together, you can create something beyond your imagination or depend on your imagination. So yeah, and just like what Umbrella is showing to us, that's a Lego. So from that, we can use the construction technique with that. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. These are Lego blocks. So we use this to construct something. Again, it doesn't have to be a large structure, but it can be also a small structure as long as we're building. Okay, are we good? Do you still have any question? None. Okay, thank you. We can now proceed. Okay, so construction.
Kasi
Construction
po,
and art.
ah,
Okay, so in construction and art, it means to break down complex objects into basic shapes. We will go dig deeper in this one once I'll show you your first activity for today. But for this one, as you can see, or when you look, or just an example, when you look at something complicated like a car, a tree, or even a person, we usually, or the first impression that we have is it can be hard to draw because there are so many details, right? But if you're going to apply the technique of breaking down the complex structure of an object that you would like to draw or that you would like to draw, and you will break it down into simple shapes like circles, rectangles, or triangles, or also different types of lines like what we have discussed last time, it becomes more easier. So I'll show you something. Okay, this is a car. This is actually my son's car. This one. I think it's a backhoe. Am I correct? Is it a backhoe? Right? This one. So when I'm going to ask you how draw it, of course your first impression, teacher Gail, it's so hard to draw because it has too many details. It's too complex, right? Am I correct? It's very hard to
yeah.
draw because of
Yes.
the details.
Yes.
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 Okay, of course,
Yes.
for some of
This is it.
you,
Yes.
I do believe that it is very easy to draw because some of you are already talented in drawing, but some of you, since most
Yes.
of you are all beginners, you will find
Yes.
it very hard to draw this one, right? But again, what we're
This
going to
one
do,
din po.
what how can we can apply construction in art by it is we can apply construction in art by breaking down this the complex structure of this car into basic shapes so we can draw it. Okay, I'll show you an example. So right now, what I want you to do is get your paper and pencil because we're going to apply our what we have learned. Okay, just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is our activity number one. So I'm gonna show you, or I will guide you on how you can draw a car. Okay, so again, like what I've said, from a complex structure of a car, because of its details, we're going to break it down into basic shapes. So as you can see in this photo, you will see how from this it became this, right? So what we're going to do is we will break it down, or this complex the complex structure of this car, we will break it down into basic shapes or basic details. So first, what I want you to do is draw this one, this step. Can you see it? Can you
Yes.
do it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, I
Okay.
can.
Okay,
Yes.
again,
I
you
can
don't
see it.
have
I can see
maximize the space
it.
of your
Yes.
paper. So once you take a photo of it, it will look good in the picture. Okay, maximize the pace of again, I'm sorry, maximize the space of your paper so you can also color it later. And again, you don't have to draw step by step. You'll just have to draw one car. You'll just have to follow this one, okay? The sequence. Okay,
Okay.
understood?
Can you do the book? Okay.
Okay. So you can now proceed with the other steps. Okay, and please let me know once you're done with you. If in case you have any questions with some steps with it, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
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 I will give you, is 10 minutes enough already or more than? Okay, I'll just get I will ask you after 10 minutes if you're done, and then if you need more time, just let me know, okay? Okay.
Okay. Wrap me up in all you. I want you in my arms, oh let hold you. I'll never let you go again, like I did. Oh, I used to say I will never fall in love again till I found her. I said I will never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Georgia pulled me in. I asked to love her once again. Oh, I got you. I never let you go again like I did. Oh, I used to say I will never fall in love again till I found her. I said I will never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. I should never fall in love again till I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her. I found you. Done na po, and thank you.
Very good naman si Jason. Very good naman.
Sorry po, medyo paos po ko.
Di okay lang. Next time ulit, you will sing, okay?
Maybe this time naman po sunod.
Sige. Dapat may sasayaw. Ganun na. Ganyan.
Teacher, whatever po, I'm done po.
You're done. Okay, let's just wait for the others and then once we're all done with yes po. Sure, once we're done, you can take your time doing it and then later we will have a group photo session, okay?
I'm done, teacher.
Okay po, let's just wait for the others. Thank you.